We are very lucky that we have been getting a tremendous amount of energy from the sun for last 4.5 billion years and will continue to get it. Solar cell is the one of the major invention in human lives that allows us to convert solar energy into electrical energy. In this scenario, solar is the largest electrical energy source, but there is a problem with their efficiency. According to the research, only 17% to 20% is the efficiency of solar cell. Form the MPPT and sun tracking solar panel, we can increase the efficiency around 32% to 38%. And through the automatic wiping system, solar panel will be cleaned. So it is simple that we are going to implement it and save the space and money as well. Thank you.